In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up WhatsApp and then open up a conversation or group chat. Then all we have to do in order to create a poll is just tap right here at this plus button. Basically, guys, on an Android the process is almost the same. It will reveal that options, and among that options we can easily find poll here. I can select poll, and now first off we need to ask a question. I'm gonna enter here which animal you like the most. That's my question, and down below I can add options such as cats, dogs, and birds. We can add another options here, and if you wanna get multiple answers from a single person, you can also keep allow multiple answers selected. But just to demonstrate you how it works, I'm gonna turn it off. Also, here we can change the order of our options simply by dragging them up or down in that way. And then once it is done and we are ready to share it, we need to tap at send, and it will share this poll to your conversation, and any user in that conversation will be able to vote. I'm just gonna select the first option, and then any user can make their choices. And then we can hit right here at view voices to see the result, the total amount of votes for each option, and also right here it will show you users who voted for the particular option. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.